This is my external drive. Okay, I don't know that anybody facing this problem. Okay, when I plug in this external drive to my laptop and no drive is detected. Okay, but if I plug in on this pen drive, okay, it can detect a drive. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me open this file explorer. Okay, you can see here existing I got C and D. Okay, if I plug in this external drive, this is an external hard drive. Okay, it's detected, but still no drive appear. Okay, even now I got C and E, no D, no F. Okay, so if I plug in on my pen drive, okay, you can see here, okay, right away he can detect a drive here. Very funny, is it? Okay, let's go. Let me solve the problem. Okay, now I plug in my external drive, okay, to this laptop USB port. Okay, you can hear this sound. It's detected, but still no drive. Okay, so what you do is, okay, you look at this start button. Okay, this is a Windows 10. So I right click, okay, looking for this computer management. Okay, if you can't get this computer management, another way is you go to search. Okay, you click here, then you just key in computer. Okay, you can see this is a computer management. Okay, so just wait for a while. Okay, now coming up, then here is the storage. Okay, the storage, you click here, then come to this management. Okay, this is this management. So you just click the disk management. Okay, then you can see the drive is here. Okay, this 0 is my C drive, and this one suppose is my external drive. Okay, but it's not detect. So when you use this one, it must be very careful. Don't simply delete this or modify this. So now we are looking for this. I have this 930 GB. So this is my external hard drive. So you just right click here, then you check and see change drive letter and path. Okay, you click here, then from here allow access to the volume by using the following drive letter and path. Okay, so no drive is here, just add. Okay, you can choose D or whatever, because right now got C and E. Or you don't want D, you can change to maybe you prefer other drive. Okay, K. Okay, choose K also can. So okay, look at here. Now it right away detect this external drive. This is my external drive. Yeah. Any question? Yeah. So from here right now, I want to do is I want to copy my C drive download file, picture file or video file into my external drive. So now I solved the problem. I managed to get back my drive. Okay,